Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we're checking out this workbench top made for Holman shelves. This is a 52-inch wide piece of hardwood that mounts directly onto two different shelves that Holman offers. Mounted super simply, just 4 screws from underneath here, underneath the shelf. And it also comes with this backsplash that's also the powder-coated gray to match the other Holman shelving. A nice little feature so you're not losing everything here, falling out from behind your shelf. This Holman workbench comes in a few different sizes depending on what kind of size you need. It does have that, this one is the 52-inch wide model, has 16 inches of working space here and is about 3/4 inches thick of a hardwood surface on top, for a great workspace to work inside the interior of your van. Just like all Holman products, this comes with a 3-year warranty and is made to last. You can find products like this workbench top and others at upfitsupply.com.